This quick video will show 4-H volunteers and youth how to use a gavel in a 4-H club business meeting. The gavel is held and used by the person in charge. In a courtroom, that would be the judge. In a meeting, it would be the president, chairperson, or the person presiding over the meeting. With one tap, a gavel is used to announce the results of a vote. For example, the results of the vote are 10 for and 2 against. The motion passes. One tap is also used to tell members to be seated and to announce an adjournment. 2 taps of the gavel call a meeting to order. For example, this 4-H club meeting is called to order. 3 taps of the gavel signals members to stand. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by the 4-H pledge. Sometimes a group can get off topic and might need to be redirected. Use the gavel to restore order in a meeting. 4-H members, we've gotten off topic. Please limit your discussion to our current item of business. For more information like this, you can find us online at 4-H in the Panhandle.